Catanduanes is an island located in the southeast side of the Bicol region. To get here, meron direct flights from Manila to Verac, or you can always ride a Roro from Tabaco Port to any seaports in Catanduanes.
Welcome to Catanduanes!
Just a mini background story, Catanduanes is the hometown of my father's side. Kaya we got to visit some of our family in San Andres kung saan nakita namin ang mga crab farms ng iba naming relatives at nanghuli kami ng crabs.
Nagkakatch kami ng crabs ngayon kasi usually gabi hinuhuli yung mga crabs like this. Yan, nandito kami sa pond.
Beton kasi.
Asa?
Ah, napunta sa likagat.
Ala.
Bilisan mo sa mga Mana? Kasletin nyo na, boy! Nakita to ni sis. Yawis ka rin.
Hindi ka lang kasi mo.
Yan, nakakuha tayo ng crabs.
Ikaw ba kang nakitad?
Kamu, hindi ka pa.
Hi guys! Good morning! Ito yung start nung trek. Papunta sa sa viewing deck. Ito yung start ng trail. Papunta ng Binurong. Bale, from here, sa rocks na to, dun, iikot pa ganun. Yun yung trail, paakyat.
A few moments later.
Hi! So, nandito na kami paakyat sa Binurong. Ayan si ate, tour guide. Ayan. Bale, nasa kalahati na kami. Grabe naman yung pawis ko. Makataktak naman. O, diba? Nangingitim na naman ako. Tapos mamaya, magvi-video ulit tayo sa taas. Ayan, humihinga lang ako. Patag na. Ayan. Sobrang worth it yung akyat dito sa Binurong. Merong baka na nahulog. So, tinatry namin sanang i-rescue. Kaya lang mabigat. Kaya hingi na lang kami na rescue sa baba. So, yan yung launch area. Meron tayong lobster for lunch. O, 1 kilo 500 lang yan. Ayan ang lunch natin. Oh. Taba, diba? Lobster.
This is Poraran Beach, located in Baras, Catanduanes, kung saan pwede mag-relax sa white sands and enjoy the view of the rock formations.
Hi guys! So meron naman tayong bagong inakyat. Ang tawag dito is Balakay Point. Yan. It's a 360 degrees view of the beaches down. Grabe, wala kang boses. So if pupunta kayo dito, make sure you have water and sunblock kasi mainit. Lalo ngayon, tanghaling tapat kami pumunta, kaya sobrang init. Pero worth it talaga yung view. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, diba? Sobrang worth it talaga. Meron pa kaming mga ibang pupuntahan after this. So, naka-lunch na kami. And then, nakita namin yung beach. And then, pumunta na kami ng Binurong Point. So, this is like the fourth stop. I think next one is Maribina Falls na. Pero I'm not sure kung meron pa kaming dadaanan. Ayan. Meet our tour guide, Kuya Lauren. Hi. Ayan siya. So kapag pupunta dito sa Catanduanes, hanapin nyo na lang si Kuya Lawrence.
Next stop is Macotol Falls, located in Baras, Catanduanes, where we enjoy the cool waters from the mountains surrounding it. Macotol is a smaller version of Maribina Falls, which is located in the town of Bato. We made a quick stop at Bato Church on the way to Maribina Falls, kung saan kumain kami ng merienda.
We're here at Twin Rock. Yan. So, last night natin sa Catanduanes. Kaya, ayan, mag-beach tayo, mag-chill lang, and baka dito tayo mapaluto ng dinner sa Twin Rock. Actually, may zipline dyan dati. Kaya lang nagiba yung bagyo. So, muna wala yung zipline. So, yan. This is Twin Rock in Virac, Catanduanes. It's a very nice beach resort. Kaya Twin Rock kasi yun, no? Merong Twin Rocks dyan. Last night in Catanduanes. Yan. We're back in Tabaco Port.
Up next, let me take you to our family's hometown in Legazpi, Albay, kung saan kami nag-food trip ng authentic sili dishes at authentic Bicolano recipes. If you've missed part 1 and part 2 of our Bicol adventure, check out the description box below for more details.